guys. There, now he's on camera, but he's not, you know, all up in the mix. So I went to get Island Burger today. I don't know how I feel about this setup. Let's see. Should I lower it just a little bit? Yeah, I like that better. So I went to get Island Burger. So that's what we gonna eat. I got the Sriracha Smack Burger. Look at him. Sad. We have a different angle today because my house is dirty and I don't want to show you that. So instead we're gonna eat from right here. And I'm filming y'all on my new iPhone. I went and got the 7 Plus because I needed a better phone badly. I almost want to heat this up. So we heated it up. So it's Sriracha. He said it's like Sriracha cream cheese. It's really good though. And then the Sriracha Smack Burger has like, that's better. It has Sriracha on it too. It's so good. Why you have to wrap it up all funny? Okay, so it has bacon. Hold up, are we having to sit down? All right, so it has bacon, Sriracha mayo, Sriracha glaze. It has onions, which we are taking off right now. And it has like pickled peppers. That's what it looks like. Okay, let me take it out of this. I like Island Burger's fries. So Island Burger, if you've never heard of it, it looks like this. That's their little logo. And it's just a burger chain, but it's really good. And this is their best burger. Jamie used to get like this peppered burger, but yeah, too peppery. Oh, let me go turn off the air. It's probably loud. Y'all know what I found out? That show, one of my favorite eating channels, it's Wendy's eating show. Like, Wendy lives in San Diego. I wonder if Wendy would let me take her out to eat and do a show with me. That'd be cool. I don't know why. I feel like I need to keep moving my burger around. So I went to go get my phone and started talking to the people at Sprint about my channel. So they might be watching. They were like, people watch you eat? I was like, yeah. And then they found it, and then they started watching. And they were like, that looks so good. And I'm like, that's exactly how it starts. That's exactly how it starts. And before you know it, eating on camera. Watching other people eat on camera. Yeah, y'all can see it. Oh, wait, you can't see my burger, though, sitting up there chilling. Nothing? I thought you'd move. I didn't get a drink. Dang it, I just keep getting up. I was sitting around my house because I always drink half of it and then I don't finish it. Ooh, that was good. Excuse me. Do you have any Game of Thrones fans? Because I just watched the first episode today. Yes, it is Thursday. Didn't matter. To me, that just means that Sunday is even sooner. And I get to see another episode soon. And man, it's looking good already. Just started. Already looks amazing. I don't think we've talked about this before, but my favorite all-time food, you would think that it's seafood, and it is pretty much seafood because I love me some seafood, but French fries. I love French fries. Like, if I ever have a baby, in my baby shower, I want to have a French fry bar. If you take that idea, you better shout me out. I need pictures. But like, every kind of French fry on the, like, just on display, ready, hot, crispy. Excuse me. Except for steak fries, like, nah, I'm good on those. They're too potato-y. I want, like, crunchy fries. Waffle fries. I would probably get Arby's fries, McDonald's fries. Curly fries. Just different kinds of fries. And then like a ton of dips. Like a whole bunch of sauces that you could get to eat with your fries. Baby shower. Undisclosed date. We don't know when that's happening. Huh, Joe? Nothing? You didn't even catch it. Oh, you don't even know where it is? You were searching that bag because I ain't digging through it and getting my hands dirty. That burger is so good. They also have French fries. Island Burgers has loaded french fries that come with cheese on them. And then, like, you can add bacon. It's also something to get. But it's a huge plate, so if you get it, make sure that you're sharing it with somebody. Or order that as your meal. Because you do not want all them fries by yourself and then a meal on top. It's too much food. Hey, but you might be able to handle it. I don't know. Whew. You know when you just gotta wait for that little bit of gas to pass so you can just keep going? That just happened. Oh. Alright, I'm good. I just be watching JoJo. Yeah, I said your name. JoJo. Y'all want to see something really messed up? What? Walk? He gets so mad. I'm gonna take you later, babe. I'm gonna take you later. He pops up so fast. If you did not just watch his head pop up, rewind and watch him again when I said that. He just comes to attention. What'd you say? It's like bacon hang out. I'm determined to finish you. But I'm slowly getting full. It's fatty. That's not cool. Fatty bacon. I should be a hand model. JoJo could just watch me. Excuse me. It's so good. I don't want to stop. I'm finishing this burger. I feel like I can hear y'all cheering me on. Like, finish it. So much ambition. This happens every time. Every time, y'all. Every time. I order this burger. I want to finish it. I force feed myself. Then I pass out on the floor. I don't want to pass out on the floor. But that's okay, because I'm just going to go take a WAOK with him. And then I'll be more comfortable. What are you looking at? Look, I feel like if I ate all the bacon, that counts as the whole burger. Yeah, the bacon's gone. I'm done, yeah. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. It hurts. But I really want the fries. Okay, so this is my constant problem. I want to eat all the little crunchy fries. There's always room for carbs. You're not getting no more. I can't just be feeding you all French fries all willy-nilly. Have you dying on me? Better eat some benefits, man. Pedigree. Okay. All the crunchy fries is gone. And I'm about to go into a food coma. But as always, it's been fun. Thanks for eating with me, guys. I don't know what I'm going to eat next. I have a Chick-fil-A coupon, so probably Chick-fil-A. Probably tomorrow because it's free. Tomorrow Sunday? Nope, Saturday. Comic-Con's going on, so I might dress up for that. And I'm working on vlogs for my other channel. Pretty much the first one I'm doing is the one about me getting my hair braided. So if you want to see when I did get my hair braided, tell me, bless me for that beautiful sneeze, burp, cough. I know it was a burp. So if you want to see that video, subscribe to my other channel at Toshpointfro, TOSHPOINTFRO. It'll be down in the description box. People always want to put a period instead of the point. I don't know. I get it. It's a show. That's where I got it from, guys. But I am full and I need to go to sleep now. So say bye to the people, Joe. Just look at the camera. Okay, well, don't. Bye, guys. See you probably tomorrow. Oh, I can't even move to turn off the camera. Y'all don't even want to see what I done put in this dress now.